everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will be walking you through how to monetize your Facebook account. Whether you're a content creator, business owner or influencer, Facebook offers various opportunities to turn your presence into profit. Let's explore the opportunities to start earning money from your Facebook account. So the first step is go and open your Facebook. Before getting into the process, what I want you to know is monetization can only be done in a professional account type. So make sure that your account type is switched to professional account. So here, go to your profile, then tap on see dashboard. After this, scroll down and then select for monetization. So as you can see that I'm not eligible yet because the audience that I have does not fulfill the criteria. So for it to be eligible, you should have a large amount of audience in your Facebook. Okay, so after you land on the monetization page, you will see stars, add-on reels, bonus, like options. Each have their own features. Tap on it to get to learn more about it. So that's all. This is how you monetize your account in your Facebook. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.